Hello guys, today we're gonna start our second topic, that is variable constant and shadowing in Rust programming language. So by the basic, what are variables? The definition could be a variable, a defined storage where we store our data value. So in this video I will tell you, or I will show you how we can declare and initialize the variable and print that variables in Rust programming language. So first of all, just create a folder. Okay, I've named my folder as Rust New. Now just go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm already in the Rust New folder. So in this folder, I have to create my RS file. So just go to the terminal, and first of all I have to create the package, cargo package. So I have to write here cargo new and my package name. For suppose my package name could be variable. Okay, so in this way I have created my package named as variable. Now I have to go into that directory. Okay, now I am in the variable directory. So I will show you. Okay, see a cargo file, and in the src we have our main rs file. Now just go to your rs file through Visual Studio Code. Now in this file we have to write our code. Now in this video I will show you how to declare your variable and initialize those variable and print those variable in Rust programming language. So we can start our program by fn main function. Now the statement or the keyword that we use when we declare a variable is let. Let is the keyword in Rust programming language to declare a variable and initialize it. My variable name could be a is equals to 10. Now I have assigned value 10 to variable a by using the keyword let. Now if I want to print this variable, I will write print ln. For suppose I write here my value is, okay, this is the format to print the variable, and I have written a over here. Now save it. Okay, now I have to compile my program, so I will write cargo build. This will compile my program. Okay, compile. So now I have to run this program, cargo run. See, the value has been printed, that is 10. Now in Java and in C++, you all are familiar with Java and C++. Now if I have to write, if I have to change the value of this variable, for suppose I want to change the value a is equal to 6, I write here a is equal to 16, and now again I want to print this value. Now when we are taking the concepts of Java and C++, the result should be 16 over here. So if we build this program, compile this program again, so there is an error. Now what's the error? See this. This is the first concept of Rust programming language. It says that make this binding mutable, cannot assign twice to immutable variable. Now the first concept of Rust programming language is here, that the variables by default in the Rust programming language are immutable. Immutable means, now if we see the definition, immutable, those variables which cannot be changed once initialized. We have initialized our variable here, a is equals 10. So 10 have taken the position of a. Now we cannot change our variable, or we cannot change our data value to 16. That's what immutable says. So by default in the Rust programming language, our variables are immutable. So we cannot change our variable to 16. Now if I want to, how can I make this variable mutable? So we have the ability in Rust programming language to change the variable to mutable. How can we change that? We have to just write the keyword mut over here. Now when we write mut keyword over here, the variable a become mutable. If I save the program and build it again, compile it again, compilation will be successful. When I write cargo run, so the value is 16 now. So what was the concept here? By default, the variables in Rust programming language are immutable. So if we want to make them mutable, what's the definition of mutable? Definition is in which we can change or replace data value. So if we want to change the value of our variable, we have to make this variable mutable. And how can we change it from immutable to mutable? We have to write the keyword mut over here when we are declaring it. So now the variable a became mutable. This was a simple program of how to declare and initialize a variable and what was the difference between mutable and immutable variable. Now the second subtopic today we're going to discuss is constant. In Java and C++, we all have studied that constant are those which are by default immutable and we can't make them mutable. So in Rust programming language, how we can declare constant values? We have a keyword const. This is the keyword to declare and initialize a constant variable. For suppose my name of constant x. Okay, I've assigned the value 1000 to x. Now a question arises, what is here? This u32. Actually, this is a data type. When we are declaring a constant, you have to write the data type. Now, in the next video, I will describe what are data types in Rust programming language. But till that, you have to understand that this is a data type for the variable x. u32 is for integers. So, if I want to print this constant, okay, I've written x. Let's see, can we compile this program or not? There is an error of uppercase x. Okay, so another concept is here that when we are declaring the constant, the variable should be in uppercase letters. Okay, so now cargo build. So we have successfully compiled our program. Now we run this program, cargo run. Yes, it is working. The first value is 10, and as the variable is mutable, we have changed our value to 16, and that's our constant. We have printed our constant also. Now the